Guys, in this video, I want to show you a system that you can use on almost every single app to start getting traction and to start becoming someone known in your space. And the reason I can say that is because I have been building an audience for more than 2 years. This is not my main channel. I have a Spanish channel with almost 2K subscribers, and I also have been uploading content on Instagram, TikTok, and a lot of different platforms. And at the same time, I know marketing is sometimes a difficult topic for developers because I am a developer, so I understand deeply this specific problem, and that's why I'm bringing you this specific video. I will recommend you to stay until the end because we are going to cover something really valuable and important that will help you in all your apps and all software applications that you want to build. If it's the first time that you are watching my videos, my name is Justo. I'm in a process of creating 12 apps in 1 year or until one of the app becomes successful. I will explain you everything in a minute, but before jumping to it, I want to ask you that if you're liking this video, it would help me a lot if you subscribe to the channel and you hit the like button, because in that way we can keep reaching new people and it only takes 2 seconds. Really, one of the most important things, or one of the most important changes that you need to make when you are a developer and you want to build apps on your own, is stop being a developer and start being an entrepreneur. And the difference is that developers build products or build software, but entrepreneurs build products plus distribution. Okay, product that works, and something that it took me a lot of time to understand because it goes against your most deepest currencies, is that the top developers who gain visibility are not the best technically. Okay, they are very good at selling and they are very good at marketing, but they are not the best technically. That's the truth, and I'm not blaming them. I mean, I'm not saying that that's wrong or anything like that, because if you're a good developer but you don't know how to sell, then it's very difficult to build something that works. But anyway, I mean, stop being a developer, just a developer, and start being an entrepreneur. Open your mind. The second thing is start paying attention to the top indie devs who already made it. Okay, it's that simple. Pay attention to people like Peter Labels, okay, the owner of Nomad List and Remote. Okay, so people like Peter tell you to publish something small every day, use your content as your mode, and instead of building only features, build your audience. And then the system that everyone shares. First of all, as I was telling you, I mean, position yourself as an entrepreneur, not as a programmer. Because if you position yourself as an entrepreneur, okay, or a solopreneur, you will attract 50x more people, okay, who are maybe not into technical stuff. Then you define one concrete transformation, okay? Developers who don't grow talk about everything, but visible developers talk about one thing repeated 1000 times. That's the difference. So you need to publish your process, not your product. And a rule that you can use for that is publishing 3 times if you want, or 3 pieces of content for every one feature. I mean, 3 as a minimum, but you can publish 10 times. I mean, I publish more than 12 times per day. I create an Instagram post, then I go to Twitter and I comment and I share different posts. I create posts on Instagram, YouTube. Anyway, I mean, leave small clues every day. Big projects not necessarily, I mean, can generate visibility, but that's not very common because it's not about the project itself, but it's about the message. If you know how to talk to people, if you know how to talk to your audience. So instead of trying to create an amazing or a very big product, update your audience constantly on the features that you launch. Now, this is, I mean, I believe one of the most important things. Build your community before you need it. Don't wait until you have to launch the app to build a community because it takes time. Okay, so comment on 3 posts per day, help someone without asking for anything. Just do something, but build your audience. And for this, you can create a very simple and straightforward system that you repeat every single day. The reason I can do this, the reason I can do this type of videos is because my process is very simple. I know everything I need to do, okay? I record the videos on the same simple way every single day because I'm 7 hours or 8 hours coding and I don't have 10 hours to record a simple video. So if you keep the process simple, you can do more iterations or you can increase the quantity. That's why I believe your goal is not to be viral, it's to be consistent. You can post and you can become viral. But if you are consistent, you will understand what people needs, or what people want to see, okay? And these are things that might shift your currencies, but I believe are very important. First of all, you don't need to be extroverted to create content. You can post on Twitter, you can post on Reddit. You don't have to be extroverted anymore to start creating content. So that's not an excuse, okay? Then visibility comes from simplifying. If your process to publish something is very complex, you won't do it. You won't repeat it every single day. And the only way to become successful is by doing it every single day. There is no more than that. Then, content and code are not opposites. Content is social code. The audience is a public repository that compiles your projects. And finally, one of the things that literally, changed my life is by understanding that you can't launch an app if you don't have an audience or if you don't know how the users will come. Because it's very common to hear or it's very common to see people trying to build hard and then doing marketing. But this is literally what kills visibility. Okay, the top founders do the exact opposite. They show first, listen first, publish first, connect first, and then finally, as a consequence of all of that, they sell first. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, it would help me a lot. Also, if you subscribe to the channel and you hit the like button, because in that way we can keep reaching new people. YouTube keeps recommending the content and it only takes 2 seconds. If you need help with your software as a service, I will leave you a link on the comments so you can book a one-on-one call with me with no strings attached. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the content, and I hope to see you on the next video.